Tired of baking disasters from ovens that heat unevenly or take forever to preheat? I've found the 5 electric ovens for baking that consistently deliver professional results. Our comprehensive testing process, which includes temperature mapping and real-world baking trials, with everything from cookies to casseroles, has revealed which electric ovens for baking truly excel in home kitchens. Each one has unique features that could transform your baking experience. So make sure to watch the complete list. You'll find all the links with the best updated prices in the description. Here we go. Number 5. KoolMore 30-inch double wall oven. If you're looking to solve the classic dinner prep challenge of needing more oven space without sacrificing your kitchen's sleek appearance, this double wall oven delivers exactly that convenience. You'll get 2 separate ovens that can run completely different cooking modes simultaneously, which means you could be baking cookies in the upper oven while roasting a chicken below at entirely different temperatures. What's particularly appealing is the range of cooking functions available. Beyond standard baking and broiling, you'll find convection modes for more even heat distribution, plus specialized settings like proof for bread making and a warm function for keeping dishes at serving temperature. The convection feature works especially well for consistent results, though it's worth noting this is only available in the upper oven. The stainless steel design integrates beautifully into modern kitchens, with its flush mounting capability, creating that seamless built-in look that many homeowners really want. Additionally, the commercial-grade feel in the doors and racks gives you confidence in the overall construction quality. However, it's important to mention that some users have experienced issues with the timer function and temperature accuracy, with reports of the oven running hotter than the set temperature. The control panel also isn't backlit, which can make it challenging to see settings in dimly lit kitchens. Plus, you'll initially receive just 1 rack per oven, though customer service has been responsive about providing additional racks when needed. For families who frequently entertain or simply need the flexibility of cooking multiple dishes at once, this double oven setup could transform your meal preparation efficiency. The competitive positioning makes it particularly attractive if you've been wanting double oven convenience without the premium price tag typically associated with this feature. You can check today's price on Amazon through the link below to see if it fits your kitchen upgrade budget. Number 4. Empava 30-inch electric wall oven. If you're looking for a feature-packed wall oven that won't break your budget, this model delivers an impressive array of cooking capabilities, typically found in much more expensive units. You'll get 10 different cooking modes, including convection baking, air frying, and even a Sabbath mode, all packed into a spacious 5.0 cubic foot interior. What's particularly appealing is how the convection system works to ensure even heat distribution throughout the cooking chamber, which means your cookies will brown consistently and your roasts will cook evenly on all sides. Additionally, the built-in air fry function lets you achieve that crispy texture you love without the extra oil, using the included air fry basket that comes with your purchase. The sensor probe feature is another standout benefit, allowing you to monitor internal temperatures precisely without guessing. This is especially valuable when you're preparing larger cuts of meat or want to ensure your baked goods reach the perfect doneness. Moreover, the hidden heating elements make cleanup much easier, since there aren't any coils or exposed elements to work around when you're scrubbing. The glass touch controls feel modern and responsive. Plus, they include a control lock feature that prevents accidental changes to your settings. The large oven window and halogen lighting also give you excellent visibility to check on your food without opening the door and losing heat. However, it's worth noting that this is a lesser-known brand compared to some of the major appliance manufacturers, and there have been occasional reports of shipping damage, so you'll want to inspect your unit carefully upon delivery. For families who want professional-level cooking features without the premium price tag, this oven could transform your baking and roasting results. You can buy directly from Amazon using the link in the description to see how it fits your kitchen upgrade plans. Number 3. Aobosi 30-inch electric wall oven. If you're looking for a budget-friendly wall oven that doesn't compromise on essential features, this model delivers impressive functionality at a fraction of what you'd typically expect to pay. You'll get a generous 4.8 cubic foot capacity that's perfect for cooking multiple dishes simultaneously, plus the convenience of built-in installation that creates that sleek, integrated look in your kitchen. What's particularly appealing is the convection system with 360-degree hot air circulation, which means your cookies will brown evenly and your roasts will cook consistently throughout. Additionally, you'll have access to 5 different cooking modes, including convection bake, convection roast, broil, warm, and standard bake, giving you the versatility to handle everything from delicate pastries to hearty casseroles. The touchscreen controls make operation intuitive, and you'll appreciate practical features like the self-cleaning function that uses high heat to turn residue into ash for easy cleanup. Moreover, safety features, including automatic shutoff, cool touch door, and child lock, provide peace of mind, especially if you have little ones around. However, it's worth noting that this is a newer brand with limited long-term feedback from users, so you'll want to inspect your unit carefully upon delivery, since there have been occasional reports of shipping damage with large appliances. For homeowners who want modern wall oven convenience without the premium price tag, this could be exactly what you need to upgrade your kitchen's functionality. The combination of essential features, generous capacity, and competitive positioning makes it particularly attractive for budget-conscious families. You can check today's price on Amazon through the link below to see how it fits your kitchen renovation plans. Number 2. AMZCHEF 24-inch Convection Wall Oven. If you're looking for consistent baking results without the guesswork, this compact wall oven delivers the kind of even heat distribution that transforms your cookies and cakes from hit or miss to perfectly golden every time. The convection system circulates heated air throughout the entire 70-liter capacity, which means your bottom rack bakes just as evenly as your top rack. What's particularly appealing is how the 8 automatic cooking modes take the complexity out of baking. You'll find dedicated settings for bread, cake, and pizza that automatically adjust temperature and timing, plus additional modes for warming and general cooking. Additionally, the fast preheating saves you valuable time when you're ready to get those muffins in the oven. The stainless steel design integrates beautifully into modern kitchens, with its built-in installation capability, creating that seamless look you want. Moreover, practical features like the child safety lock and multifunctional timer add convenience and peace of mind, especially if you're juggling multiple dishes or have little ones around. However, it's worth noting that the temperature controls display primarily in Celsius, and there's a bit of a learning curve when you're first exploring all the different automatic modes. For home bakers who want professional-level consistency without the premium price tag, this could be exactly what you need to elevate your baking game. The combination of convection technology and user-friendly automation makes it particularly attractive for busy families who love fresh-baked goods. You can check today's price on Amazon through the link below to see how it fits your kitchen upgrade plans. Before we reveal our number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the freshest deals on each of these items. Number 1. Kenmore Convection Electric Range. If you're looking for modern cooking features without the premium price tag, this range delivers an impressive combination of convenience and performance that could transform your daily cooking routine. What's particularly appealing is how it packs professional-level features like true convection and air frying into a budget-friendly package that won't overwhelm your kitchen renovation budget. The true convection system uses a dedicated fan and third heating element to circulate hot air throughout the oven cavity, which means your cookies will brown evenly and your roasts will cook consistently on all sides. Additionally, the air fry function lets you achieve that crispy texture you love without the extra oil, making it perfect for healthier versions of your favorite fried foods. What sets this apart from typical budget ranges is the cooktop performance. You'll get 2 powerful 3,000-watt turbo boil elements that heat water remarkably fast, plus dual ring elements that adjust to accommodate different pot sizes. Moreover, the 7 different power options give you precise control over everything from gentle simmering to high-heat searing. The front control design creates easy access to all functions, and you'll appreciate practical features like delay start for meal planning and the self-cleaning cycle that handles the messy cleanup work for you. However, it's worth noting that some users have experienced quality control issues, particularly with the storage drawer functionality and occasional shipping damage, so you'll want to inspect your unit carefully upon delivery. For families who want modern cooking versatility without stretching their budget, this range offers compelling value with features typically found in much more expensive models. You can check today's price on Amazon through the link below to see how it fits your kitchen upgrade plans. So, which one would you choose? You can see updated prices and buy the products on Amazon from the link in the description.